Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is chocolate ball. Indulge in the world of delightful no-bake treats with our fileless cooking recipe. Chocolate ball with Mary biscuits. This recipe is a true game changer for anyone seeking a quick, hassle-free dessert that's both scrumptious and fun to make. Let's start the recipe. Take 12 Mary biscuits and grind into fine powder. These delectable confections require no heat or baking, making them a perfect choice for kids and beginners in the kitchen. Not only are these chocolate balls incredibly easy to make, but they also offer a satisfying crunch with every bite, followed by the smoothness of chocolate and the subtle sweetness of the biscuits. In a bowl, add grinded biscuit powder, 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix well. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Now add 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Add condensed milk as per your taste. Mix well. It's a delightful combination that's sure to please any sweet tooth. And the best part is, you won't need a single flame or oven to whip up this delightful dessert. Enjoy your chocolatey creation now. Prepare small balls as shown in the video. Give the recipe a try and let me know your feedback in the comments. Coat the balls with dry coconut powder or with any dry fruits. Tasty coconut balls are ready. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.